Hello my dear children. In today's video, I will explain you a new chapter. The name of the chapter is chapter number 12, Natural Disaster. What are the learning objectives are? Number 1, earthquake, tsunami, floods, droughts and cyclone. Then let's start one by one. So children, before starting this natural calamities one by one, first of all I will explain you what is disaster. So disaster is an event that result in widespread human loss. It is accompanied by loss of property and livelihood. It causes a big blow to country's economy. Disasters may be natural or man-made. Natural disasters are sudden and unexpected changes in the nature. Human beings have no control over them. So, natural disasters are also called natural calamities. Clear, children? Now, I am going to explain you an earthquake. An earthquake is the sudden shocking of the earth's surface. It is caused by the movement deep inside the earth. What is seismograph? The intensity and duration of an earthquake are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. What is Richter scale? It measures the intensity or the force of the earthquake on the Richter scale. Then what is seismology? The scientific study of earthquake is called seismology. Now what is focus and epicenter? The place of origin of an earthquake is called focus. Now what is epicenter? The point directly above the focus on the surface of the earth are called epicenter. Clear? Major earthquake causes lot of damage to life and property. Now, what are the precautions to take from an earthquake? Number 1, get out of your house or building quickly and move to open area. Next, stay away from all tall buildings. Next, do not stay near any windows, bookcases or mirrors or fans. So these are the precautions. Clear? Now our next topic is tsunami. Tsunami are huge sea waves created by some disturbance under the sea such as earthquake, volcanic eruptions or landslides. In deep water, tsunami travels without any significant change, but when they reach swollen water of the coastal areas, they rear up to into waves as high as 50 meters. So tsunami also brings lot of damage to life and property. Tsunami warnings are issued in advance by the specific Tsunami Warning Center in Honolulu, USA. Clear, children? Now, what are the precautions should be taken? Number 1, houses should be constructed on stilts. Building should be capable of water and wind resistance. Next, there should be plantation all along the coast. Clear? Now, flood. Floods are mainly caused due to the overflowing of rivers. In India, most floods are caused during the monsoon season. We receive heavy rains during these seasons. Floods damage crops, roads, and houses. They affect transport, electricity, and communication also. They create unhygienic conditions that leads to outbreak of disease such as cholera, malaria, jaundice, and dengue. So, what are the precautions? Grow more trees as their root slow down the speed of running water. Give information to the people in advance so they can move to safer place. Clear, children? Now, droughts. Droughts are caused when there is no rain for a long time. Plants, animals, and human beings suffer due to scarcity of water. During droughts, soil dries out and groundwater sinks. Droughts usually occur in areas that are away from the sea. The monsoon wind lost most of their moisture by the time they reach to these places. So these places do not get sufficient rain. In India, drought prone areas are Rajasthan and Gujarat. People and animals die of starvation. Now, what are the precautions should be taken to reduce it? Number one, we should grow more trees. The trees will increases the moisture in the air, which helps in bringing rains. We should have water reservoirs. Their water can be used in times of droughts. Clear? Now the last topic is cyclones. Cyclones are caused due to variation in the atmospheric pressure. They are very strong winds accompanied by heavy rains. Cyclones are also known as sea storm, typhoons, hurricanes, etc. Now, what are the precautions should be taken? Advanced weather forecast can make people aware of the cyclone. This will give them time to move to safer place. Make advanced arrangement for foods, clothes, water, and medicines. So these all natural calamities brings many loss of human life and property. So what are the relief work during these natural calamities? In time of natural calamities, it becomes our moral duty to help the victims. There are many non-governmental organizations which are also named as NGOs which help play an important role at this time. Like Red Cross Society, it provides medical relief and helps in rehabilitating the victims. WHO, UNICEF, etc. Beside these NGOs, many voluntary organizations, role of the local people, doctor, police, fireman, and media are also very important. The doctor can treat the victims and save as many people as possible. The Air Force and Navy help by dropping food, medicine, and other essential items. Media such as radio, television, telephone, and newspapers can provide latest news to people and carry message about the victims to their relatives and friends. So This is all for today, children. I hope this chapter is clear to you all.